Hey everyone, this is a quick project to remake a piece of an adjustable brake proportioning valve for the classic Mustang project that ended up breaking during assembly. It's a small brass spring seat that goes between the adjuster dial and the valve itself. Unfortunately, it was in crooked and the flange that the spring sits on ended up snapping off. I'm not sure if this is a cast piece or not, but maybe someone with a more experienced eye can leave a comment below. Either way, I'm going to be making a new one. I'll be using this piece of 3/8 inch diameter brass round stock. The extra convenience with this size is that it is nearly the same outside diameter as the diameter of the flange of the piece I'm remaking. So let's get started with a facing cut. After facing, I used the end of the part to square the chuck side of the tool. I did this because I figured it'd be an easy way to ensure that the bottom of the flange is perfectly square if I knew the chuck side of the tool is square to the part. The next step was to bring this side down to the diameter of the larger side of the piece. I chose to do the larger diameter side first because I could then flip it and more comfortably mount it in the chuck to make the smaller diameter side. Once the final diameter was reached, I did a quick hit with some sandpaper to remove the sharp edges and brought the length to the final size while finishing this side of the flange. Next up is a quick parting operation to close to the final overall length so I can flip the part in the chuck and bring the other side to its final size. After a quick facing, I squared the tool against the chuck this time, but I don't know if it makes much of a difference either way. Finally, I brought the other side to its final dimensions in the same way I did the first side. That's it for this short and sweet project. I don't see any reason why my replacement shouldn't be just as good as the original, and even better now that the original is broken. Hopefully you enjoyed this project. Please comment below with any thoughts or suggestions. Hit that thumbs up if you liked what you saw. Definitely subscribe if you aren't already, and as always, thanks so much for watching.